What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know the boss now building. And today's episode will be none different from the other, but with a different a different feature of today's episode. Today's episode will be featuring Deva Bratt diss to Vybz Kartel. So, without further ado, I'm going to do a reaction to Deva Bratt's diss song to Vybz Kartel. And trust me, bro, I heard a little bit of it. I didn't listen to the old song out, but I heard enough to say, bro, this song is crazy and it's wild and it's going in hot, bro. And for some reason, I don't think Vybz Kartel would answer this song, but bro, this song is bringing me back to the days of war, bro. War in the music, dancehall war, bro. Like 2010 and 2011, and maybe like into 2016 when you had that Movada and Cartel and Alkaline and Popcorn and all of them clash, bro. Let's get right into it, bro. Let's go.
Crucial conflict, actually, factually. Alright, well, okay then. Aye, it a record, it a tape, the bookshot, pebble them bigger than a crate. No use in a batty now fuck on the Gaza. But Huntsman brother never straight. We not try for you. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. I'm just one in them make them.
Bro, the rhythm slap me, bro. The rhythm slap me, bro. Pull up that shit back, dog. That shit's crazy. Pull that shit up, dog. Shit.
Crucial conflict, actually, factually.
Deva Bratt. Bumbo clat. I never know what's the dog, man.
It a record, it a tape, the bookshot.
Y'all know Vybz Kartel love say it a record, it a tape. You know guys are no rape. So, bro.
Bigger than a crate. No use in a batty now fuck on the Gaza. But Huntsman brother never straight. We not try for you. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. I'm just one in them make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. Them never much show them.
Bro, this I give you a doing your vibes, dog. The dog are spitting, bro. The man I give you a doing. Yo, I not take nothing from Deva Bratt, bro, but the way how the dog in sync himself with the rhythm, bro.
No army, so what them I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. Boss one in them make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage.
Bro, the drum sound in that song, bro. The drum, bro, this half a pull up back, dog. The drum sound in the song, bro, or the drum just a knock. In recent time, you not hear much drum beat in our music anymore. So for hear a rhythm like this is not the modern day rhythm, bro. I don't know who he went to produce this shit, bro. This is not the modern day rhythm, bro.
Crucial conflict.
Listen to the rhythm, dog. Dog. Yo. I need a speaker in here, bro.
It a record,
It's a tape.
the bookshot, pebble them bigger than a crate. No use in a batty now fuck
On the Gaza.
But Huntsman brother never straight. We not try for you. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. I'm just one in them make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. Them never want show Deva Bratt no army. So what them I do? Tarnish me name me rise the
Bumbo clock, dog. Shit. Bro, that shit is crazy, bro. That shit is crazy, bro.
Put them with varnish. Boss one in them make them varnish. Create
Carnage.
to damage them can't manage. Brain never fly like.
So he's saying, the song is titled Homage, bro. I'm guessing he's saying Kartel should pay him homage because he's the one who created the empire. If y'all know, y'all will know. Back in the days, it was Deva Bratt who had created the empire, and then after that turned it to the name Gaza. So, yo.
Hey, little body, big head, quack, man, you say you're laughing at the
Bro, the man said little body, big headed quagmire, bro. Y'all know quagmire, bro. Pull the shit back up, bro. crazy.
Actually,
Yeah, crazy Deva Bratt, dog. I doubt Kartel will answer this shit, bro. It's fire though. I don't have a lighter though, but this shit fire. Pandy Gaza. Carnage, my name rise right for them a varnish. Bomb, bomb.
Make them varnish, create carnage, to damage them, can't manage them, never want show Deva Bratt no homage, so what them I do? Tarnish, me name me rise right for them with varnish, boss one in them, make them varnish.
Nah, this song have a wicked vibe, bro. You can't deny it. Maybe Deva Bratt isn't relevant right now, bro, but the song you cannot deny it. And right now the views is like 50,000 views. And he's not an art artist, bro. And 50,000 views is a lot of views. It's a lot.
Create carnage, to damage them, can't manage, brain never fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head, quagmire, say you want finger, big girl, them pussy like a vampire, sunfire.
Yo, pause that shit, bro. Pause it. Bro, what did you just say, bro? What did he just...
Big girl, them pussy like a vampire, sunfire,
Name the girl them like a vampire, sunfire. What is a sunfire, bro? If y'all know what that is, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Y'all remember that interview, bro? Vybz Kartel said if he was supposed to eat the Nash, if he was supposed to eat the Nash, bro, it's up to him. It's his own. It's his own choice. That's what he's saying. So Deva Bratt is saying you're telling guys out here to eat the Nash, bro. That's crazy. Frog face. That's reminding me of someone. Frog face. Who's that? He's calling Vybz Kartel frog face. Didn't Alkaline call somebody frog face also? Shit. Bro, this shit crazy. This shit is wild. That is catchy. Carnage, me have the rifle, them will varnish, and he make them varnish. That is catchy. That flow is catchy. Catchy chorus, bro. I give you that. And the man in him suit, dog, in blue suit. I'm not fired enough, so I'm in blue suit. Bro, big up to the producer, bro. The producer of this rhythm, the engineer and everything, bro. Props to the engineer and producer, bro. They did their work. They did that work, bro. Get charged and sentence. You want Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up. Pause. He's saying Vybz Kartel come back with bad mind and vengeance. So he's saying Vybz Kartel is a vampire. He's saying all these stuff, bro. You know you can't be saying these stuff about Vybz Kartel. He just got out of jail, bro. He just, not even jail, he just got out of prison, bro. You can't be saying all these stuff. You gotta be careful of the words you choose when mentioning Vybz Kartel, bro. You gotta be careful, bro. Careful, you know, man. If I didn't run in your convention, I couldn't lick of them a drink, I must see mad sauce piss. Yo, y'all just hear that, bro? Y'all need to go listen to this song, bro. The man and a mad puss piss in my drink, you know. Mad sauce piss, bro. Shit, pull up, bro. This song gotta be played over, fam. Yo, rewind this shit, bro. Return with the like partridge. Crucial conflict. I just gotta play it back, bro. Alright, well, that's crazy. Alright, well. Pandy Gaza. Carnage. Varnish.
show Deva Bratt no army, so what them a do?
Carnage.
Me name me rise the rifle, them with varnish. Boss one in them, make them varnish. Create carnage, do damage, them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head,
Quad, man, ya.
say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy and not daddy in my flag. I tell man fi eat the correct flag. Fuck Columbia necktie. Bad fire, brain jump out top front face when the man fire. Glock fire, Mac fire.
No, go easy. Go easy, bro. Carnage. Varnish. Varnish. Homage Nah, the man are right. You remember that? Pause, but he's flowing, bro. Varnish.
Get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever. Then wrong thing you go mention. I couldn't lick of them a drink.
Him say him drink up the fever. A wrong thing you go mention. Yo. You come from prison with that 18 a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in it. In a what under your nose no make no banana. What the fuck? Pause. The explicit. Sorry about the explicit, but bro, what? What did he just say, bro? What did he just say? You come from prison with that 18 a bit. We know you did. Yo, bro, this is how you do diss songs, bro. You gotta make people laugh at your opponent. Bro, the way how man's is spitting the lyrics and he's saying all these shit, bro, it's just crazy. Yo, bro, the man said the man should have duck him with a big pan of shit, bro. Yo. They did have some freak in a what under your nose, no make no banana shit. Yo. The man. The man said we're dead. Bro. You should have get 15 years more. You touch the shit. You come from prison with Maggie for puss kiss. The gun they walk up and no ambush this. The bushmaster they you can't ambush this. The man them should have ducked you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with that eating a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in it. Oh shit. What under your nose no make no banana. Bro, how you gonna diss the man's DNA, bro? He got sons, bro. You can't be dissing man's DNA like that, talking about man's DNA is freaky, bro. That's just crazy, fam. What's up, you should have get 15 years more. You touch Lisa, I'm from 15 years old. Oh shit. Oh shit. He doubled down, bro. Is this the Kendrick 2.0, bro? Is this nigga the Kendrick 2.0? This man doubled down, bro. This is crazy, bro. It's just too bad that Deva Bratt doesn't have like that momentum in the game right now. He's not that hot. It's just, bro, it's just crazy. If man's is this hot, bro, currently, this would be the trend. This would be all over the media. It is right now, so bro. 15 years old. We clap it, pump rapid and hit the near pole. He's saying Vybz Kartel was touching Lisa Ipe from 15 years old. Now, bear in mind, Lisa Ipe is much younger than Vybz Kartel currently. And still, when they were younger, he was older, right? She said she know him from she was 5. She know him from she was 5. And I guess he growed her, or they both connected from a tender age. Bro, crazy. Varnish. The chorus, but Homage. It a tape. Deva Bratt, go easy for the man of that genre. It a tape. Oh shit. And the Gaza. But Ansman brother never straight. Who is Ansman brother? Let me know in the comment section, bro. Who is Ansman? Who is he speaking about? Who is this Ansman brother? I guess Ansman brother have a case or they do something rape.
Little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a fuck.
Little body, big head, Quagmire. Bro, Quagmire is that cartoon character, bro. Quagmire. Quagmire. Where I know Quagmire from? Is it from is Quagmire from the cartoon Stewie cartoon? I'm not sure. Is it? Let me know if Quagmire. I know it's a cartoon character, but I don't remember which cartoon he's from, but I know Quagmire is a cartoon character, bro. It's so funny how you call Kartel a little body Quagmire, bro. Quagmire body is little, bro, and his head is big. His body big and his head little. Or his head is big and his body is small. Woo! Varnish. Varnish. I know a lot of Gaza fans don't like this right now. They're never going to give this highlight. They're going to be in their feelings. A lot of people won't post this because they're Gaza fans, but it's whatever, bro. It's what's trending. It's what's out there, bro. I know that they're going to be mad at this shit, bro. They're going to be mad at this shit, bro. But it's music, bro. You just got to love the music. And dancehall is dancehall, bro. And you just got to love it. You got to love it. Varnish. And a varnish. Oh. Y'all know that's it, right? That's it right there, bro. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section if y'all like it, the reaction, and what y'all like about the song. I know y'all be laughing also, bro. I know y'all be laughing because I'm not just the only one getting crazy over here because this song is fire. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section and stay tuned for all the other updates. And if y'all like it, just remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all know what it is. I'm out. Peace.